So I've already started plowing already. So as you can see, we are inside here. So my manager is trying to make a sign on where the pipe from the borehole going towards the land, the farm up there. It's giving me a mark so that when I reach there, I lift up the plow. In the meantime, we've just done a demonstration here where they normally put the manure, and it has worked very well. Very nice all the way from there going towards this area. So yeah, here comes the job.
Tunaba kugula ejawidi master niwasigala gumu kasanvu ng'osigazza gumu kasanvu gokka. Akiba kyetaagisa emitwalo.
So we have already finished plowing. So this is the only part remaining. This one here.
Esatu.
You remember I did the puncher and then I came back to complete the work or about the job. So I had already finished the whole part of the land plowing. So I was at the entrance of the land. Now I got another flat tire. So in total we have made like, is it four punctures? Only just for one day, 4 punctures. So you can imagine, and this land seems to be somehow clean. It didn't have so much, but as you can see, we have already gotten more than 3 punctures. And you can see the land is now very beautiful. It's just waiting upon the rain. Actually, the ground is very hard. That rain that was raining the other day and those other days, it didn't do anything to this ground. It is very, very hard. So yeah, we have finished already this side. So it was just the entrance. So at that entrance, and already it's already about 3 p.m. So that means when I finish repairing the puncture, it will be around 6. We will be already done with plowing this part here. But it was just taking it back home because it was remaining like 2 rounds, because I was doing reverse. So it was remaining only 2 rounds, going back, coming, going, and I'm done. But anyway, so I came up with the locks, and it is the same wheel, the same tire that we have been working on, the puncture. See, the left one, the left in front left is really a big problem.